McBrown's kitchen. Adriani Petto. McBrown's kitchen. Bring us so. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, no am I in here. Yet to cano. Get it bow. So when you know, yeah, my share. Bring us so.
Adriani Petto.
McBrown's kitchen.
Bring us so. Yeah. Thank you, DJ. Thank you. I will say for official pa. Ye koswa mama official pa. McBrown's kitchen. Adriani pa ede. Oh, around the dana yan control. Ye da was say yes so. Ye na yen say. Ye na yen nim. Ye ya. Na yen ni da so no. Say ka 2022 a. Wa ma ye tiase. E dey na be ka cherade. Enye lucky keke o. Nni aye. E na don. Enu nti no McBrown's kitchen. Enne me ma wakwa aba to another episode. Ye nua baako, ye dofo baako, ena e ba besra me wo ha. Na ye dey aduane a wonim dada but a different twist. Aye dey e dey abrewo. Me da say, mama sponsors official pa. E wo mu ankasa dwumadie yi so. Eye McBrown's kitchen. Wa wonim say high sense dear. Ene wo hu me peno hu high sense. Madam high sense me anam gina hey. Enu ti dia meka bia no. Na se trodo. Yen ma 5 years warranty. Abra wato ya de. High sense ma official pa. High sense da wase. High sense ye shebo. Eniema e papa efe na efo na afeso entwen nyinam kanea no. Eno na ye de brewo. Ye daga na fo ase. Hwe high sense fridge ni. Awake purified drinking water. Ensu pano munim se awake. Me say fatu trim na ka ho. Na gana ni binyamwa say obeto nsuo dia na obenum nsuo bia dia I just say awake because trimpo adwumade we echi no e kire say wotobako bia ye de bi kan ye moa wo cardio center eno ti no misrew wadaroma afei tasty tom eyento osia bronya minim say no ana odi bi wo fie I know yes I know e koso aka kire say eno ni ntoso a gan ha obetumi adie no aka say fiber and vitamins a woman tino ebeboa wonti da bia obedi ye da launcher kitchen asifojade o maye kama wakemu launcher da mwase afa delay mackerel delay sardine delay spaghetti afia ensa no adwumanie e wo dwaso bronya minim sa odi bi ye pasom eche obi ampa ya mishrao abusua me catch us and the spices McBrown's kitchen abeka nuano mi ho e wo dwumade esu nie Charlie spices Charlie's 3 mix and not just say ginger garlic and then onion yes and I feel Charlie preckers say and no preckers and kwana yanyamo I feel Charlie ginger and no akeka dron kwa and no tinu wutimi and no bi udi gunso shiemua Charlie says o mu cry o ya ono mebeboa pa abusua Royal Kitchen Well official Ghana and chance wa he bronya and chance kama winya ncho obi ade enye late to obi kwache na nye fefefe Mr. Mididi na na majime McBrown eno ti dwumadie me de to me ho McBrown's Kitchen me ho ani me team ani dwumadie sponsors obi bi o kan man yemu a e be PAT so ansa na wa hwe no ye culture say mo official pa I feel we rather one fire na mosisi ye na enye dey ye hu say ye kwa ni nchen ba bi ejine Mr. Mitrini efi Nat luxury hair afei matade efi chic collection shika medase chic collection yes matade efi chic collection mamsh medasipi I was a mama min twa me homra na aduane no ye nyina no ne ye de nyame ase ne ye de request film ne ye di nkomo ye wi addition time ye didi ye ba sisi ya
mama fisher po I sense mama fisher po afia to ya ye dili pepe ya mama fisher po I sense mama fisher po afia to ya ye dili pepe
Aye, Hisense Bronya. Madam Hisense, Matiti Swamo, sir. Who? Kona kwa chudie. Hisense, everyday prices.
351251.
Ene edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni. Se die mu nim no. Omo judge adie bia obeye no so beba ho bi. Ti say uncle me, school judge no.
E was say who did kra no to school foforo mu.
Auntie ama, subai mu judge. Unse me so dodo. Ena mekuma, awusiesie mu judge.
Debbie sister, want to mend your sister.
I was say we nya kokodro won hyehyeye bia obeye ho. Impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwe. Emum ade baako a wonyina agitum ne waduane no adedede ni ne hwam papa bia awon dro wom. Ani fe ani said ye paste na pi. Na ye the fiber any vitamins aka wonti. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix mabusua ni nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den. Tasty Tom and Rich Tomato Mix. Strength comes from within.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Sorry. Ade.
Me prekese.
Feyi na.
Me penna me
penna. Wonim bra McBrown's me nya prekese.
Kratina de.
Uti am akokoto fence adwan be so na wo pro prekese me na agu me ho.
Abro cherry prekese powder. Abejaso.
Hey, cherry prekese powder.
Ye no honest wo biesu no hyiegu.
Ensi jaso.
Debi.
Prekese ne gu konkom. Pepa cho ntwa me kitu abi wo me ha.
Medofo, enso mene.
Charlie P.
Cherry prekese powder.
Pepa cho ma me ba kon why.
We officer no one use.
Pepa cho me nya Charlie P.
Cherry prekese powder.
Charlie prekese powder. Ma me ba kon na me hwe asa. Hey, Charlie prekese powder. Pepa cho ma me 10.
Utimi di gukokom utimi susu esa de bunso hyiemu nom.
Wow.
Cherry prekese powder ebetu.
FDA Adjei jodi nkratoi atomo.
McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen ebusiafo aduane pa ede edu so say ede aduane no ano ebe hihye so enu nti no ma DJ Mayanyom na mentun sanfre Rosina. Yes, DJ Mamenyom. Rose Adjei. Arani wayo. Radio 2022 and get easy. We Adami we now Thank you, DJ. Thank you. Onyame ni edimi ye. Onyame odi. What's me fi kwa me de be microphone. Microphone say adwuma no mra no. Adwuma no mra na no UTV. Woman hoye de. Oh, we say adwuma je na se kama. Minim say phone calls there. Apem.
Too much.
Eye nyame.
Nyame na ye.
2022. Oni edimi ye.
Selection afaye.
Oh, musa. Ene na ye gina TV so ade aduane pa. Ebrewi. Ghana for Rosina. Se dino mi amaka. Rose Adjei. Why ma kwa ba McBrown's kitchen.
Yenia me da sipa.
Ene de nyum to benu aduane.
Enya sem kitwa.
Ene skills. Asa wunim sa.
Enya easy o.
Rose wunim sa. Ena wo ahode energy.
Enya easy cry. Starting ye adwuma na che. But you say energy no wo.
Oh, Debbie, ene opa adwuma no. Eda no nya unsa oba no mdwane.
Yeah.
Once the you
mu pa.
Share. Na me hu share am fami na me no say brother Rose be bubu ma pre. O be bubu ma pre me nsa bio. Wow, baby do the Rosie. Meja akasa. Na oro me nsa. Na me bia wo so waba. Me de no na hye. But maybe say na ye ba be ye di.
Aye. We dey ye the simple cry. On say last time na me catch you say ye wo me wa Liberia. But me Ghana ni. Me ma me ye Fante ni. Na me papa so ye nkrani.
Oh, okay. Toyota.
Ofana nyotugba.
Oyojogba.
Nkrani me she dan kana papa sha na asemesi wa. Na me tro bomb.
Na Fante ne so e.
Oh, me kana kakran Fante ne zi. Otumeka.
Yo, Rosina, SE Baba
Fante.
SE Baba Fante.
Inyo.
Fante they choose some ways
Me choose Fante.
Simple. Rose.
Yes.
Fante, who near man knows no.
Papa, simple.
Me who say simple said they would know we are. Once and
simplicity there, yeah, but now most so na your mashish.
Sanity code.
Where they were, we shall your man to say. It's way be. Yami tilapia papa be.
Okay.
Say. Come.
Fresh.
That's right. And I menya me lima. Me to me di egu so say na be ya. Say na be ya nya no ebe free mu.
Your vegetables no just we ya no benya bu area. What you say? Tilapia so the area bi abenya bi.
Na say me kono cry yes so when say sometimes me kono ya di aduane to me sisa taste. Yeah. Me ko bia won taste e ma.
It's true.
Nti we say na ye dey to me say
come. Any your fish ni we your gari can you imagine?
Bia be ye kama.
Me ba jama to me am tasty toma ka ho.
Pacho fama me. E hu nya ye be ka ho.
Na emu enye du.
That's right.
Be ma stew ni ma edu.
Pa e hu nya me pa.
Na e na ba ye what you say.
That's right. Eno so ka. Ye wi na e delay makra kaka ye da wo.
Awo no. Any na delay. It tasty tom.
That's right.
And then I delay so bad. And they say delay no. Your sizes. See her. We are ready.
Me pena na me account. That's right.
And here started.
All right. It's first of all, ya wo yen sa kama.
Ya wo be bia so kama.
Nti ya me yen say me mba tilapia no so first.
And me ma knife.
That's right. Na me twitwa kama na memfa lime no
Fante no na say bibia e fresh e call
bibia e fresh nti me pese me slice the kama
na pese ya kase ananketwa
de be ye be ne 3
o be ne 3
3 gina ho ma trinity se nyame aya adom na se 2022 abeto ye ndia na se nyame eja nyame oba ene hu kronkron
nyame enim ni hu enu achi no Ipa ba ko bo ba so ma trinity na SCP. That's right. You fan ba be deep.
Ya ne 3 kama. Ya sanfa ba ko e dey account.
Okay. Memma wo be hia nsu ana be hia bibi.
Pacho me hia extra bowl. Eno na me dey.
No water.
We'll wash it out a little bit. Yes.
Ya ro ho dada there but ono so the skills can
because when the lime to move the then you have to you rinse it out so that the lime comes out.
Good.
And then it's hard na say you ba baby
meto wase pa. Nti say no ni dia ina na nsuo ni so ni.
Patron.
Rose Adjei.
Yes dear.
When you me aye boy ye dia refu cry ni say. And you media Ejigana ba UTV no. Ye ponya na me akọ bebre say. Oh, sister, when the born you we. Oh, why adio. Oh, ne hu afo. When him so. Oh, Debbie anadona ye. Nyame adu. Juma na wo ye ne ma oba ho.
It's true.
It's true. Juma na do ba ye.
Si mami. Debbie me nyu sinsuo biom. Se me rinse free her.
Now the ba mo.
Patron.
Minty Rose.
Yes.
So we are crying infante.
Patron.
And crying for Daniel Nyakwa ni
sa. Papa free Jamestown. Ni kro ba ko so ye gbawe. Se gbawe so ye kro.
Yeah.
E wona papa free.
Oh, yes.
And
I'm
Fante Africa Coast. Igwe. Na igwe ye wo kro bi wo ho a. Ye friend ni Ekwan. Ne nchen no na ye wo Mori. But ye friend ni Mori. But don't say ya slanging no na ye friend ni Mori.
Nti ho ehim fa emu dia na wo free.
Nti free Ekwan.
Igwe Ekwan. Pacho meso dama. Go for him saying Fante ni
yes. Maybe ankasa first time me tea with no cry. Say we are Fante
sir. Oh, me ya santini achem ni ebono. Me fra mesu
nti ye na kwada lime na egum no we just rinse it out.
Okay.
Me fancy
emu kakra
na me fan worship prekon because we have to spice it up.
Nti Rose wunyini we mu dia hin egwai another Jamestown.
Ye wo me wa Liberia o. Liberia na ye wo me pa me tina ho di 15 years ansa na me ba Ghana. Nti ma me fa nchini kakra
15 years in Liberia.
Yes, please. But they play the bomb. Me Calabria bro.
Debbie, you Calabria bro.
Liberia bomb Labro. All my brother and sister then they born all day. So that in 96 we came to Ghana to can't live. Yes. Because my power always telling you all know your Ghana people, you're not Liberians. So by the end of the day, you will have to come back to your home. Until 96 never Ghana.
That's Sakaview. Oh, there is baby before for Ghana. Yeah, we are Liberian.
The fish will pour small salt on it. You know, we'll sprinkle the salt on it, then we'll pour our ginger and our garlic. What we're talking about.
Ginger, the fresh one.
Yes.
Yeah.
So we'll have to sprinkle it small. Then we'll shake it. Then we'll put it down for the ginger and everything to enter inside the fish before we start cooking it. Yes. Why you're wrong?
You know, I'm afraid.
And you're brofu now, but just that you end the words, no. So let me put a ginger on it. They want a ginger,
ginger.
Okay, so let me put a ginger on this small.
Mommy spoon, you can't say.
Give me small spoon. Give me small spoon.
And to me, Mama can't say. Take lay.
Or take it.
Take it. Maybe I'm in your deck. Oh, all right.
Because I can't remember, I'm trying to answer me.
Charlie 3 mix.
That's right.
Spices are. Yeah, Ghana, the natural ginger, bibia natural ginger, garlic, and a jane, and I draw honey.
That's right. Now, me come now, be pension so. Me the chirika crab fra. Okay. Na etumi ewere mu na ebe nyinya na
na free mu
kama
I am Fante straight Fante straight up
me pese I'm just hoping say nsuo ne enko hwie ngu
table iso yo jade e ba pepa
nti ye mix ni say kaka enwa
na say ye fancy ni
baby kra na
on dane will be come along. Rosina, it's Liberia 15 years na ba. What's na he winning wa he?
Yet na your baby a friend in Nuku Town. Once like Liberia, one amazing thing they say your place be or I before kwane.
Oh Liberia.
Your baby a friend Popo Beach. I before you from war Popo.
Oh, nesa nguna beach.
Omo area. Omo no ma settle wo na your Fante Town.
Fante Town.
And also so yam Fante fo nko omo djuma mo ye ne se omo couple. Mo so adjuma omo ye no.
Okay, to obe omo na like area on na out.
Enti na ye ti New Town yen so ye ben epo. E be na epo ewo. E na me ma me ne nuanom ma ne me ma bebre couple. Me ma me ton me ma me nuanom ton nam. E na me ma no so couple. Enti ho e na na ye ti. Ye nyina ye 6.
Timu mama bi
patcho dey bi omo dey to a gunboat and omo dey ba Ghana
ti patcho mama mi say omo ba Ghana no what nyini wo area bay
but na agba we malam ti your family house wo sisi am no kase
enti ho na onyini ye
ho na enyi
ba we girl
eco school
wow and your schools ni bi na bia na o mate bi show once ye blended
ye blended je ne first
okay blending bo
patcho dey bi
yes single okay busuafo Rosina the bibia single ye blending mako
that's right
wow it was called datus
JHS
dance man boy
patcho me ko bubu ashi
I know
bubu ashi na the first branch of your friend is saying that too so.
Oh, okay.
And some other branches, you know. Temani danso mani kaswa kraba.
And two kobubu asideni.
Pachai.
All right. And now to asuko do say.
Between us na misan ko Adontin Secondary School.
Oh, okay.
Ti misan rie no. And na misi me pese mesua computing kakra. Until me train me results na me call ICR Computer Institute.
Okay.
Na me ankasa no enwum to one nti no. Na me papa say ofi otukwan. No who lady do. So buy us me buy who
good me wie. Enti papa buy us na.
Say who ofo. Na me ko share lady bi na. Ejuma na oye no air hostess. Na wo ye bia be fata o pa.
Say who ofo yi.
Because na me slim. Na me say okay say sa dia. me call School of Languages, na me go to French kakra.
Okay.
And fan count me call Alliance Française.
Oh, okay.
Me call for 6 months, papa, and shut down do it.
I'm Fabian French na
But but the passion for music was so strong. But you be blended way pe answer.
90 passion for music no na wo na say
e wo ho dada. Amazingly, me papa so ye keyboardist. He was an organist. He was an organist.
Na ye be blending na uchucha nkitingiti say.
Oh, enya hwe.
Hey sister, Fabra, high sense blender, me cry me nim so be blend ka man nyina on sa.
So,
Debi.
See mame fa ba ko bi nka wona.
Okay.
E mo mpi kakra.
Okay.
Because enam no esusu na sando.
And e ba ne pie kura tasty toms wo ho.
That's right. E be sama.
No.
E mo epi fa.
Santos no so be kan wa be boy.
That's right.
Oh.
Inti no.
So far to maninyo.
All right.
You are dealing with the best machine in the
That's
world.
right. That's right. Inti am say ye wie enu. Inti no papa so sister. Me how but sometimes say ofre no wo ho a uchu mutanya
O kombedo.
enye ye nyame ne pe na be ye adwuma e wo abrabom enye niawo anania ni papa.
Into music go starting no yeah by professionally
2006 and I make me recording but before then no na me a backing vocalist for both secular and gospel. A lot of them na me ni momo me sugar tone and then nanti one of friend me Rose obi di adwuma aba
be back mama
na makọ back imagine sika coffee see na artist for bebre.
Wow,
that's how
Rose Adjei is so break
lazy.
Okay,
so
nti be hwe no so na so mu you ready ah. See am blend bibia bi. Oh and you
so the game is about to begin.
Yes, ebusuafo Rose Adjei person show say utwitwa anema blend wie say dia and one see soldier but adwuma na na fashion.
That's right.
Na Rose o first song by year bay
About 2013 nyame
2013
ye na me to no
oh yo
me recorded to her
ambara nyame yo
ti ya fa ya
eda no mama UTV the pa nyame shira mu nyina
amen
enti wo year by
2013 patrai
2013
and am I nyuma na
no one produce here
me am papa my late dad
wow papa
patrai
ohun sa fe de passion no
na enu crampo no nana na nya sekitwa
but to have your father promote I mean you your first album
ono na kasa no I don't know so ni so fu bi wo problem
no
me kasa me ba be ye nyum no se onye so do you know what I did? I had to pray for 100 days.
Wow.
Because na me nya oboafo obi ani obeso edwuma ne mu so I had to pray. For 100 days. 100 days na Mary. Ni nyina mo nam papa na oni ha o Liberia. Ho no ye edwuma with my mom. Until we were there with family. But by that time na me ado mawari. Until no na my friend no me bomb pa anymore na my friend no.
Daddy me
Daddy me can once because me can once man to kwabeba.
Be put enough.
So na me ne ka so na wo ye bibi akoso kama
it we and then when the new command a chair and say dey
I have already discussed it with him. Now one day me bomb pa anymore na ono bisa me say na nya wo na wo se wo be ye nwum no na akosi sen.
Okay.
That's what so na say nwum no ya ka say ba be ye bua me a wo se wo bua me wo ni skanti me yan kasa de ma forget it. No say sa you with them you come edwuma no call you.
Time na mo ba.
Enti ono oba twice in a year enti waba. Oba ye mi wo fia na me ni me tree bag girl ne kasa say oh mate say wo papa beba wo na owe he e no gi phone free me nua nsa enyam na wo se wo pese oye nwuma me de sika ba wo ti wo and that is what prayer can do.
Wow.
Nti wo ka sana na me de emika na che say me call ne ho ko hia no oh wo peden oh me pe we na maka oh wo pese wo twa dem so me twa video wo pese
ni dia che na che no
but me de me ko de begu so me de me ko de
begu first and then you pay we na
but you need na mama on the spot until you know 3 days na me try me video.
Wow.
Nipa all printing CDs no
in temper pressure bibia pressure
That was how come.
2013 after we year no also what 3 albums.
Yes. Because the last time I make catch or say it's more spiritual than physical. It is not about you just coming out. So
okay.
It's not just about you whoever out with a song. As I said,
a show.
It every year and every season comes with its message. It is a with the message about to say any obi abra boasem ehia. Yes, anana enye din say nyom no beba nti nyame ye no. It was all over the place. O ma misika ma me de nyom no to all the radio TV stations.
Oh.
Ti nyom no gidin, but don't say that time na me say that name be about promotion and all that thing. It's no kofwe me
na kanewura.
Kofwe nhumi. Ti kakra na nyame ye mado na me de nya me first record label. Media Excel. Sorry, Pacha.
Okay.
Yeah, kakran for the first album. And I hear your contract. After they do, say, you be your second one. Now, to a dream, quite a mefa so amazing. And no so, Miss Ankonia producer be KB Empire.
Into no, so
no, secular artist, phone or producer. I was the only gospel artist. I'm a one camp.
Wow.
No, so
only name one
second
contract
one.
Yes.
And
a third one.
Third one dear. Na onu krampo no to kwanja me. Nti na ejuma automatically it had to come to a stop.
An end.
Nti pacho me di fresh one no so. Me ma blend no so. Egum ni nyina efo stew na ye be dey.
Yeah,
pacho ai. When na stew no. So
no.
Any tomatoes fresh with the guma no na ema we no eba stew ni ho kama. Yenwe ye mpo utumi say
ani na it's kama.
That's right.
I said they are relaxing no dia na relax said ye so ye gina.
Dia na no ani o.
Ni ever blend way. Ana ye.
Patcho ye nja ne say because tasty tom no be ka ho pe emo bepi.
Eno ano.
Nti say ye be tasty tom no so.
Okay.
This one sometimes obi baby say adentina we nkomu ansa na we akon say no kwan obi afaso
na dia of course.
Okay.
You the tasty tom na ikomu preko. Still ni yi ne ho ansa na say fish no beba.
That's right.
Or ba. Nice.
The fresh tomatoes no guma. Ye di na be
formula.
That's right. Say na be ya e mo be chi fine. Obi wo ho betumi the tin tomatoes ni kwa egumu first.
Okay.
Na mo achi sa ansa na because Jane no nsuo wom. They say ema nsuo no so let's add the fresh tomatoes to it.
Okay.
Then we leave all of them to fry and cook together.
Okay.
Then we are good to go.
Wow, we are good to go. Okay. And to say no, bibi bebe mu bio.
Nti we say na ye no dey. We just relax. Na mo chichi kakra tilapia
so.
Patron. Because tilapia ne dey won say enche na be.
Ebusua ye dey ane no. Very simple. Ye fish come na minim so ben season bio wa na nchine kakra season ye. On kan wa no nchine he. Because nchine ni nyina wa ha.
Ye de begum nti egum na ase. Ayewe kaka we have to taste a little.
Enu bedru enti DJ mama na God na sister Emma me free and I brother started freestyle.
My microphone,
Hey! Me the back in me. What you pass so bra bra. Na me ka so hujo. Say when it jo ho akasa.
That there's a God who changes destinies. I decided to give him a try. He blew my mind off. Free out, free protection, problem solved, total solution. He blessed my life. He saved me with no conditions. I call him my God, oh, God, oh, God, oh.
You've said so much. Yeah. I can't say I'm person me chill say this is the time also we need Nyankopon nya pambi.
That's right. We need 90 now. We need 90.
na nanti ye mu bi no de obi ka say oh na na da ya wo da so kan na wo penyame asem me penyame asem because we be
baby wo free ne baby nyame de wedu
yes
it hasn't been easy
from Liberia.
That's right.
I me mama ebe fa niema free Liberia na me mama o ansa na tokano si me mama be kan nipa ye de oba to yi ne yem ba me mama be kan nipa ye twa na so de kire no me mama be kan nipa sabe be ma ye twa no bi di a kire no ye twa nipa to ye nipa ya kaya de and me mama ensuo bi a ofa so de be dru Ghana no nyame nko anenim.
That's right.
Until Liberia assembly you onim kro hu bi.
That's right.
Titu yen age no. Titu yen age no. Until you seem so much to say this to God.
That's right.
You it is him.
It has been him from day one till now.
It is him.
Sure.
It is him. I was for e ba hwe aduane no what I say. Na ya to aso nti sa I have that in United Showbiz. Aha, nti sabre idi abusiafo. Sadia Rose Adjei timi ame atonyom asa. I train kakra because of the trick or the year aduane no. Rosina, what's a trick no pa ma o Fante no. E that's from koneren. Because process we do abaka so bi anim ye o.
But one of the secrets no say obi o ha onim say obi efroye or the nyoma say the ingredients ni na aguma eh okay. But e say ohun say fresh tomatoes wo e say muchi. Fresh onions na wode gumu no so say emuchi ehunsuo no so to be dry kakra and na meko no so wode gumu ni nyina say muchichi nti wo say echi naturally wuti flavor no just say wuti say yewram
until say obeti say
flavor no
taste toast said na odi sija so for na ehu no a eko
that's right
jene de minim ne scent no said ye but toast de wo beti no fast na se be bie so na ya hwe ba bi a ya twen ama na chia kodu na face already aben say dey fish be gumo okay Zina
what say ade na nka say ye chi say
what say ana wo se nsuo no so afrim
pa
wo se na nsuo wo mu kane no pa
because of jane no na wo say ye di mekono so gumu no ye di nsuo kakra gu blender no mu ehwie gu mu ni nyina ye sansuo no ese ni nyina e wo film kama
ebutafo ye gari de e ba de Rose Adjei said ye en ba
that's right
de o ye pinso je
no
it's a fish no
gumu
okay
kama
na Rose and then wo ba me hu say me wura ka ho
that's right
o ma na ka ho
patrai
Rosina and then me hu Mr. Adjei
that's right
na wudi no Ashley nkrane ni ntiyenta amo anu
but Ashley no enye nkran Ashley
na edian bi abrofo Ashley ni
patrai me papa say okọ abrochi omutro common entrance for Ghana and among Accra ha no omo amotoso omo 3 no ka ho nti omo de omo ko abrochi is something like a scholarship way so ko do ye no the nipa no omo ko soa no so no no ye bro no hwe ni performance na no de din no Ashley no e de man because ye busua ne din omo you see ye J quarter ni lamte nti me papa ene ne mape ene ye kita Ashley we busua ne mo obi aye quarter ni lamte nti ono I think is one of the wishes he wanted o say wa boa me ayenyum now when he's boasting and telling his friends say oh Rose is my daughter Rose Adjei pe Ashley ni ho omo face mutumi say ne banie nanso dino so
na Ashley na abrof dina ope wan pe kote no
no papa no de man nti no wa fa you see all this one nti no
area na ready oh
manam
enye ready say ben o but bibia
wa wo hwa wotumi say
unchine say de open
no menchine no say na me pe na won say me tasty first and because me dey nchine so aka fish no ako rewe mu kama ne
inna bono chon inna no mo na wo ka say be man no delay o
yes
delay no
won say delay na nka say won say abenda
ready to eat unya de unya ne meko
nti manam we enwewe mu kama we
enem de nsuo no besi so
patwa ye de nsuo besi so na yeshi
ene na nsuo na hu
no aha
enti eba na ne de be hihye so no
that's right
nsuo na hu abaya
patwa nti me mehia e friend say cap kitwe bi Say na be say yi nsuo ni kakra. Na ye na say ye be hia nsuo ni bioma.
Na yes,
say ye be ye na akoye we na akwa adwen.
Akwa
Eso no kakra.
Ye use de eso no. Mate.
Si wudi egum na say
na
wonu kama.
Eba sa na eba no ni kwan say chenti say ya.
Ye hu say be ade aye kama. Aw.
Ustu no ne ho jo sa wa.
Enya easy. O ba me hu say dan say do stage so there.
Debbie, secretary no was stage so but personally me who in there on jo ma.
That's right.
Now you TV in there. Hey, what you say on can you sasa. Ustu na kama.
Enya easy.
Ustu na kama. Me was here.
Patwa.
Ya chance dey share dem. Nti ensure
O se na enam no. Edede mu akono. O di tu we so a.
Ewradia.
Mama ye re free say o ye delay no. Ye de kakra be wo.
Oh, any mama famra. I will say okay, I will say delay. Kasia or the medium.
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 Because tilapia na aji we ni mo dada.
Me pa cho any delay macro me bie so. Kama.
Won se na ye banaye. Aye kama we se na maye no. Se me di si wona ade tia se na eti sa na be.
Sa na be yes. Wotimi ma ade tia ba so.
Oh, metumi ma. Me pepa.
Abaya gum. Said why na wudi gum on delay mackerel come.
That's right.
Na me da boafo as said oh.
O me fa gun chenche. Ai.
Tanya unim ye. Uni akura yi wojade ati ho ma no.
Na o rek.
Unim ye akura.
So na o ya akura no.
Nanga. Awusia. Eba no ni acha nkwa bodo. Ene tia mensa no yi. E2 on se vapor nenemu. That's right. Rose Adjei, why na come on? I can't wait to Medina a tilapia stew no. A Fante no. I wish I made the high sense I say tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Awake purified drinking water. Long jacket chain. Gorgeous olive oil. And sana Charlie spices. I wish you delay. Mackerel, sardine, and spaghetti. Royal Kitchenware official Ghana. You try more about Sisia. At the same time, brim.
Yeah, Mama Fish up. I sense Mama Fish up. I feel to yeah, Mama Fish up. I sense Mama Fish up. I feel to yeah, give it
Everyday prices.
351-251. Ene edru meso se me di abusuan hia mu yeni. Se die mu nim no. Omo jaje ade bia obeye no so beba hobi. Ti se uncle ni school judge no.
E wo se wudi kra no to school foforo mu.
Auntie ama. Subai mu judge. Unse mom so dodo. Ena mekuma. Awusiesie mu judge.
Debbie's sister. Want to mindre sister.
I was say we nya kokodro won hyehyeye bia obeye ho. Impo se nipa nyina na wonya adwea. Emum ade baako a won nyina gitum ne waduane no adedede ni ni hwam papa bia awon dro wom. Ani fe any said ye paste na pi. Na ye the fiber any vitamins aka wonti. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix mebusua ni nyina aduane a ede. Esanso ma ho den. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within. This advertisement has been vetted and approved by the FDA.
Borges extra virgin olive oil, best for salad dressing. A little of Borges classic olive oil will make delicious meals. Borges with garlic, excellent for your grills. Make your meals with Borges, always. Borges Olive Oil.
This advertisement has been vetted and approved by FDA.
Wait. I'm supposed to say action first. I said wait.
Let's go again. Spaghetti. Delay.
No, cat. That's not it. Won't you talk?
Delay spaghetti is.
Cat. Do you think we are here to joke? You have eaten all the spaghetti. You have delayed the shoot. Eat the food and say the slogan. And action.
Delay spaghetti. Made us sipebre.
Boss, I beg. I'll be deadline.
You've got to be kidding me.
Sorry.
FDA ahwehwe saa edwadie nkrato yi mu agye atomu se eye.
See your kitchen. What's in here doing this here?
Sweetheart, and then my higher home over kitchen view, and now for you could gin, garlic, and a cake. I must say, Baby Try and I'm pussy, ya bought a potolo. And nay, Timmy Miss at the romantic. What can you mean saying now, boom, I'm a naya back, and one is a would be a petite with 3 and a woo. And nay, charity missing tea. I'm a Maya, yes, smart with your January.
Honey, my baby.
Charlie Mix and ginger powder, a bit too.
FDA Adjei Jodie Nkratwe atomu.
McBrown's kitchen.
McBrown's kitchen, I was here for Ediane Pa and edition time with me. Rose Adjei, one so a very simple lady. Sana Diane Natia. The Diane Pen Wassam. It's a new rano. It is our brain, my friend Abba. May I appreciate in some names, right? Yes. Rosina.
Yes, darling.
What do you know to say?
Pa.
David. It's a fay me bame. And you may from sponsors.
Wow.
Me patcho me di frasia oba ya wake because of brecon.
That's right.
In Sanwe Jumana, awake purified drinking water. The sponsors I can see I'm from Muniago. Sana Royal Kitchenware Official Ghana. Trust and chance na know the a safe company now.
That's right.
What you say, mono chion. It's from if you royal so I mean my tasty tom and rich tomato mix.
That's right.
Any tasty tom jollof mix. And some mama delay mackerel.
That's right.
Delay sardine and a spaghetti.
That's right.
It's throw me mama spices. Charlie's spices and then market and the whole. And some mama high sense rice cooker.
Why are there, Papa? I miss if it's now I could see Valentine. Then say,
why free? And some Borges olive oil.
That's right.
I had to be a vampire.
Here, because we couldn't use software to use.
Hey, where do my supply suffer for about 3 months?
Aye.
Made awful. I tell you, you from sponsors, home some if I know us.
So. Because omo ya ade pa. Enye easy pass obi becha wa ade ba akokra. Makane ina.
Yeah, do bro nya.
Na me show.
Me pa cho DJ ba ma me anyum ba ko hom. Na ye de invite ye hoho na ni ni bedidi.
That's right.
Nti Rosina, wo wakonya ni medie ni na hoho die ni se de wonim no. DJ give me one song. Now invite Richard. All the way from Amsterdam. Hey, baby. That's right. Hey. That's right. Thank you, DJ. Rachel, Aquaba. What did you? What did you buy? And I must make it Dutch. Alles gut?
Ja, met jou.
Tobo Akabako. Please.
Hello, Edwin. Say,
Hoot cutting.
Cat hoot?
Baby, I know a cheap question. For some minute, you know, Baba. Alice good. Hoot cutting.
Catio.
Yes, what to say?
Yes.
We're fine.
We're fine.
We're fine. Wherefore?
That's it.
I understand. I said, Rose Adjei. But of a Kunyano bro with him. Nayantina say a brave baby, dear Bushafo. Rosina. Said they didn't know. Maybe a man no. Aye. We shall say, and I'm a Rosina. Annie. Rose Adjei, dear Nano. Yebedi. So we name a body. And a fish. A friend of Fante. What's now all under check?
Only a woman.
Only a woman. I'm Rochilla. I was a boy at a vampire, be a dear and so. Rosina, Memoir. I don't friend bro for the other my and you. Oh, my, that was sick. Yes, you have people from Cratchers or Macomoni. What may be a yebedi shasso, but don't amen. Amen. Wow, tell us for you, and so night as a diddy smart, young quiet. Oh, Rosina, yeah, baby, Rosina, Diane. And ever, Rosie, yes, me, over get one and I can say, Rosie, over Casino. Ufa Casino, Mate, what would you want to do? Matana and Pesa Macasam, and Macasam, many bragging. Intino. Mema fa eba kese no eba de nsa na edie enu tinye fe na ebe yi ya hu yensa nsam na ahoro yensu so sie kire obia de sam na ahoro nsa enti no mu de ometum no sa fa nso meme yen smart what ya say ebusua yes sefe ho wa Rosina epenitino McBrown's kitchen, a hand door. McBrown's kitchen. And the other bag, devil for. Yea, when you don't can so Nancy water. Nya ye just so ye be with ye. And to say ya me piano. Then I'm not better ye. Rose Adjei, win him. Yes. No, no, Becca. Win Marianne. It was no still look at Kona. And a good basis watcher. Rachel. Dear, or no food in a garden stew. Dear saying,
Echt lekker. It's really nice.
Lekker. And the other one that was a lekker. Just add. Very simple. But I'm trying. And yet, you suntra. The truth, right? And yet, you see, why have I did and be sincere? Sure. And yet, you suntra. Because when you're Mukra, 9 year Ebana, I say, a monocra and Pabes. When you're Royal Roman, Panua, then you're the dead. Because I'm monosweater. Rachel, this is a gospel musician, but so can be being a shannon crime. Because we're here, Juma and Kasa. Oh, and Team Rose. Yeah. And then, and crash with you from Holland. And the international. For ice.
So, make us say, a Juma now, and for Swane with Juma. So, because I'm on a babu, a bemwa, may feel, because the Radin and him, no, they are domachadian and a mower. And to Koswane with Juma.
As a waka. A radin and him, and so they are much of the into Koswane with Juma. Rachel, why are they? And to also Koswane, do a diamond. Hey, come on. Now, Rose. Yes. So say Ghana for. You'll be a Abacamia. Shady in Jamaica. That's right. And you know, Nana. Now, class, you'll be a maintain home. As them be a. Nobody knows the show is quiet. A permanent. Fancy a white J. Actually, say, a Jumana William. I feel a Ghana for 1 year to almost so much as support top. Obi nim to hukun asofo.
Bebre nim bo.
Nti sisu na me hu hukun ye sofo.
Watchwa.
Usha na so dem ana.
And then go no more, and go no way chile. But I saw them on the crabs or mammy hint say, let me tune you and you can come on us. Get away. That's an a beb.
Wow. Into a software survey.
Power Dominion Chapel.
I will.
A was Sakaman Yamiadum. A sorry, and Yanko Pondiashan and sound, no one casa.
Power Dominion Chapel, Sakamanhefa.
But just opposite the new filling station on Mandaba, Amsa. First night you go on no master to Amsa.
Okay. Power Dominion Chapel. 2 years of mommy.
Yes, for mommy.
Sani yakano. Enti word na ye asafo mame. Asafo no mame. Na no kan sofo no mame una wo ya wo atofo. Sa de me kan bi asafo mame. Ane me nyamo so de mo hwe.
Easy.
Enwo sura
ane nyom de ehuwa no so de nyame asem na piso na tese afa.
Wada ma na wo se mo ma no mo yesen.
Pacho mo ye miensa. Pacho ai.
Penny was saying?
Penny was 18 years. Penny.
Penny was saying?
18.
18 years. Really? You?
I don't look at it. And go sit down here to me.
Because when you now be at 18 and 9, 18 years.
Yes, please.
My idea. Now last month, 2 years.
Or 11.
11. And I don't want to say.
I don't want to know 13.
Well, now I mean now. Yeah. And what day? Rose, now I need na Rose. Why you need na?
To say I can say be na me adwuma nasa.
I see I see me there now person na me your mom.
I'm person na me your mom dey bebre, but the most important thing is ono nyame e dey adoma che dey adom me. And I want found do me keke because of my business. No, they do me for my generation. To me pese oma amanse ina ti me nka no mo hu no mapa. Ono nyame o dey due me mu. No mo ese so mo ye nhira enna madoma che dey no. Omo so mo ti me ye nhira. Yeah.
Rosina. And I saw about my grandson.
That's pa.
Now me call Rachel so. Rachel now to Ghana now to Holland.
It's in Holland.
Oh, 2 hour holiday. Going a holiday.
Yes.
And Miss Akaway. What you have? Nice. I was on for Holland.
Okay, I want to greet all of you and come and let's chill.
Come, let's chill. And I did that. Oh, my chill. Canada.
Komen jullie allemaal naar Ghana? We wachten op jullie. Het is gezellig. Kom en zal genieten van het land.
I was at McBrown's kitchen here. Awesome that boy was someone named Dada. I fear I see me woman coming when ye. Into Buffalo be our boy me piano, but more dear say also bad. Obey me more. Now, did you me dear be a wood piano? Why, what to be? What don't want you? No, McBrown's kitchen met me there, bro. With the high sense, I said everyday prices for everyday people. Sana awake purified drinking water. One is for life. Tasty Tom and rich tomato mix. Strength comes from within. Sana long jacket. Your tranquility is our priority. Smekatro say delay mackerel, delay sardine, delay spaghetti. No, you come home say, yeah, that's it, baby. I wish you have for Royal Kitchenware official Ghana chancing, and I'm the end because you are royal. Sanity. Say, Mekatro say spices. Say what you say, yeah, Charlie, abejedi, sa Charlie. And none spices are very natural. Ginger, prekese. 3 mix and also ginger, garlic, onion. Na amana de me do must say na McBrown is training if Nads luxury hair NAADS Nads luxury hair sa and amata dia shemi chic collection and the mommy me pa chow if I do see the Rachel I'm supposed to give you this I never can understand what Dutchman. If she been outcome scarce this. What is it?
No, I don't know.
It's been this because it's coming on the frying pan. It's going to go iron and it's going to dear. I was about Rachel. Thank you for coming, Rachel. And this one, if you have menses and you feel pain, FDA approved. Instructions day. Use. Okay. Call me and say, Nana, me want to me. Okay?
That's it.
That's right. What about from my cousin want to? Zanet here. I was for Nya no. I fear yes simu. And someone me person me nia a country for come dietri. Na nyame en was ra one so. Inti ebema Rose Adjei na ona be pon show no. I mean what as Rosina
me nyame ase say 2022 abeto me. And me dey me say this year is my year.
Amen.
No matter what.
Amen.
Mafi minim say wo nsusu. Wafi. Say wo hwe me ana wo tie me a me pese wo de wo to nyame so. Say wo de wo ho ato no susu de afa wo to no so yie. Na nyame o de mra ne na na ye na ade. Eto da na wo mra nya nsu yen ti wo fi se nyame ni refill. Na wo nsan to me anka last year 2021 I can assure you say 2022 wo be di nyame ho adase pa. Nyame nsha mo nyina ma support Rose Adjei me brand all these years. It's not been easy. Mr. with the Koswana follow me. Me nyom papa ni nyina ko YouTube Rose Adjei. Ko na ko subscribe. Instagram Rose_Ashley_Adjei. Facebook Rose Adjei. With the follow me. Na share na me nem say wo be yin Auntie Nana, ya me share wate. Onya okese.
Okay na bia.
Ko yo
na me anim ni. Surgery me dia yi na tiko no. Ba yi bibia.
So me say wa fa na adwini ni agre ka mo de.
No na ya nya ndo wa ye diane ni. I was off by Adobe Bia. Rachel, thank you for coming. Do it. Yeah, my kind of stuff. Yeah, that must be a bit now. Just send McBrown's kitchen. Adiane Bedo.
McBrown's kitchen. Adiane Bedo. McBrown's kitchen. McBrown's kitchen. Adiane Bedo. McBrown's kitchen. Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you know, no, am I in here? Yet to cano, get it bow. So when you yeah, my share. McBrown's kitchen. Adiane Bedo.